Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today is DIY time and we are making surprise card for our dad for this Father's Day. So let's get started. So for this card you will need an A4 size paper, some colored pencils and sketch pens of your choice, and all the basic things like pencil, eraser, sharpener and a measuring scale. And that's all. Simple, right? Nothing fancy. So to make this card you need to fold the paper into half and press it with your finger. Then again fold it into half and press it with your finger. And that's it, it's done. So here we will make our gift box, and inside this we will make the surprise for our dad. So let's get started. So to make the gift box, mark at 5 cm from both the ends and same on the other side. And now join the lines. Now let's make the cover of the box. So mark at 2 cm on both the sides, and from that point mark at 1 cm on both the sides, because we want the cover of the box a little wider than the gift box. Now join all the lines. Now our gift box or the surprise box is ready. I'm just using a black marker to highlight our gift box, but if you don't have one, you can use your black sketch pen or any other sketch pen of your choice. Now let's just decorate our gift box a little more. I'm just marking out 4.5 cm from the sides of the gift box, and after this just join the lines. But if you do not want to follow any measurements, that's okay. You can simply make your own gift box, and inside this make the surprise that we are making in today's video. Now let's color the gift box. I am using pencil colors here because if you use sketch pen or marker, this will bleed through the paper and we don't want to ruin the beautiful card, right? I am using yellow and light blue as my basic colors, but you can use any color of your choice. Now mark after each 2 cm and then repeat on the other side. Then join the lines to make boxes of similar sizes. Now let's color the boxes, and do not use a lot of pressure here. Color the boxes very lightly, and here we will write our secret message for our dad. Again, you can use any color of your choice. I am just using these colors. You can't go wrong about this. Have fun with it and use whatever color you want to use. If you want, you can also use rainbow colors here, and let me know in the comments below how it turned out.
Broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
Now let's write secret messages here for our dad. I have written 7 messages here. You can write these or whatever you want to write for your dad. Okay, the secret messages are: I love you dad, you are amazing, you are my hero, happy Father's Day, I can't live without you, you shine like a diamond, and the last one, you are the best dad in the world. If you have a black sketch pen, go ahead and use that. As I don't have one and due to lockdown I can't go out and buy one, so I'm using color pencil here. But if you have a black sketch pen, go ahead and write your messages with that pen. And I will upload 2 or more card ideas like this one super soon, so subscribe to the channel to get notified about that. Okay, our Father's Day card is completely done. In this Father's Day, give this to your dad and your dad will be super happy with you. Let me know in the comments below how it turned out, and if you have any queries regarding the same, ask me your question in the comments and I will answer your question as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.